People like you are making thousands of dollars every day by selling the products that don't require shipping. So in this video, I am going to talk about what are digital products, how you can create those products, which products you can sell online, and which are the best platform you can use to sell those products, and how easily you can market those products to generate sales. In last few days, I have sold few copies of my ebook, which I have just created for Shopify beginners. So this guide is basically about starting a business on Shopify dropshipping. Now, whenever someone purchases their product on my website using that link, this product is automatically sent to their email address, and that does not require any shipping. So this is basically a simple PDF, and there are hundreds of products like that which you can sell using the Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. So I have compiled a list of 7 products which you can sell today, and most of these products does not require any skill to create. So this video basically contains the different portions why you sell digital products instead of physical products, which are those 7 best digital products which you can sell, and which platform you can use to sell those products, and at the end, which is the most important part, how you can market your products to generate sales. Now there are two kinds of products which you can sell: physical products and digital products. First, if I talk about physical products, you will have to make a website, you will have to market them, you will need a supplier. Even in some cases, you also need an inventory to sell those products. So in general, basically you need some capital to start that business, which is some kind of e-commerce business, like selling on Shopify, Amazon, eBay, and other marketplaces. So selling physical products needs your a lot of time, like resources and capital. But instead, if you start selling digital products, that kind of products have greater margins. You don't need any supplier to ship those products because you are creating their products by yourself, and then these products will be fulfilled automatically. So in our list of top 7 products, on the top we have ebooks. Now, if you are a doctor, if you are an engineer, if you are a chef, doesn't matter which profession you belongs to, you can also create your digital products like ebooks. So if I give you an example of myself, I had an experience in Shopify dropshipping. I have created an ebook which contains the information about Shopify dropshipping, and that is the basic guide for everyone who need to start their dropshipping business. And you can create your ebook in your own profession as well. Like if you are a doctor, you can create an ebook which solve your patients a specific problem. You can create an ebook and teach your patients about diabetics, about heart disease, and other medical related issues. Now let's say once you have created that ebook which is solving a specific problem, now you can also upsell your other product or service in that ebook as well. Now like I give you an example of doctor, you can put a link for your website or product, or you can also put a link for your service. You can put a link to book an appointment. You got an email of your patient. So I will talk about that in the end of this video, how you can build an email list and how you can target your customers. Now here is an example. If you look into those creators, these are simply creating the ebooks and putting the links in their bio on Twitter, Instagram, or other social media pages. Once they have the customers visiting their links, they're also upselling other products in that links as well. And in the footer, they are putting their contact info, they are putting their website link, and they are upselling other products which are paid products. You can use ChatGPT and Canva to create those digital products. For designing of your ebooks, you can use Canva. They also have different templates available which you can use for free as well. Second digital product you can sell are wallpapers, like file wallpapers, laptop and desktop wallpapers, which you can create easily using the Canva. Here is an example of mobile wallpaper, and you can see he is selling for $3 to $4. So if you are in design space and you know how to use Canva, Photoshop, Illustrator, and other tools, you can easily create these kind of wallpapers. I am just telling you the product at that time, and later on in this video I will also tell you how you can use different platforms to sell those products and how even you can market those products. The third product in my list are stickers, and these stickers are very popular nowadays. You can easily create those stickers using the Canva and other tools, and I am going to share the example of few other creators who are also selling the stickers at that time. So if you look into that creator, he is simply putting the YouTube videos of their products, and these kind of stickers they are simply printing at their home. Although they are physical stickers and they are shipping their orders, you can also sell them as a digital product. So anyone who is going to purchase that product from you, he can simply download that in PNG or other format. Later on can use that print to generate a physical sticker. So in that way, your product will be available immediately to your customer. And these stickers can be printed on laptop, bikes, and other products. Whatever product you like, you can print that stickers on that product. This has a less competition and you will make plenty of sales. Fourth digital product in my list are worksheets. And these are the worksheets which most people are looking to buy online. and you can use Canva to create those kind of worksheets. If you look into that creator, he is selling the worksheets and he have sold almost 11 of just this product in past 24 hours. You can see he has 5-star reviews and it's simple detailed product which customer will be able to download immediately. It's a preschool worksheet and it contains on 4 PDF files, and you can also check different reviews of customers before creating those products. In that way you will be able to learn what customers are saying about that product. Fifth detailed product which you can sell are video courses. You can also record those courses by using just your laptop screen. So this is a product which will require your skill or knowledge. Like if you are an accountant or if you are a graphic designer or in any other profession, you can simply create a video course about your profession and sell that course by using the traffic from social media. But make sure you are putting enough knowledge, putting enough information, and you are putting enough resources in your video course to teach your audience. For example, if you look into this creator, he is running a design agency. He has built a video course to teach people how you can build your own design agency. Like his clients pay him a specific monthly cost to get design services from him. His video course is solving a problem, like he is solving a problem of different designers who are providing their services on different freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork. You will not believe he is making $15,000 per week by selling just his video course apart from his other business. Second last detailed product on my list is membership websites or groups. You can create these kind of groups once you have a specific following on different social media platforms. You have following on Instagram or any other social media page. You can drive traffic to your group and can charge on recurring basis like monthly or yearly. For example, if you look into this creator, he is making almost 100K a month by just building a community of like-minded people. Once someone join your group, you can provide them a free chat, you can offer them one-on-one call, you can offer them support, and you can also offer them your free courses or PDFs so that he should be getting any knowledge and learning on daily basis from your community. And I will also talk about the platform which you can use to create your community. The last detailed product in my list which you can sell are the templates. And these are the templates which you can create easily using Notion and Canva. There are many creators who are selling Notion templates and they are making millions of dollars each year. Here is the example of few creators who are selling Notion templates. You can also visit their website, what kind of templates they are creating, how they are creating, and how they are selling to their audience. And if you look into this creator, he is just educating their audience about the Notion. Also, he is selling the Notion templates to their audience by educating them how to use the Notion. So Notion is the easy platform to get started with the templates. And you can create those templates in any niche you are working. Like you can create a calendar template, you can create a template for video editors. If you are in fitness or health niche, you can also create a template which include any specific health or fitness information, and you can sell those templates to your audience. There is the other example of templates which you can sell, and these are the social media templates. Like you can create template for TikTok, you can create template for Instagram Reels, and you can create template for social media post. You can also use Canva to generate free templates. So these are the 7 digital products which you can create today and start selling to your audience. Which are the platforms you can use to sell those digital products? The first one is Shopify. You all know Shopify for drop shipping, but you must know Shopify also allows you to sell digital products as well. But to sell digital products on Shopify, you have to install an app which will help you to link a digital product with the product you have created in Shopify dashboard. Like for example, I have created a digital product like this in Shopify, and I am also using this app to attach my digital product to my product which I have created in Shopify dashboard. And I can also select on Shopify dashboard that product does not require any shipping. Anyone who is going to check out, he will not be asked to enter shipping address at checkout. Any product he is going to purchase will be instantly available for download. The second platform which I have been using is Gumroad. And Gumroad is the best platform which many of the creators are using at that time. You can simply create an account on Gumroad and can check if Gumroad is allowing to sell in your country. They do also allow you to create a membership group as well. You can create a group on Discord and you can link that Discord group to your product which you have created in Gumroad. They also allow you to sell your free ebooks as well. In that way, anyone who is going to the checkout can pay an amount of their choice, or they can simply download that for free by entering the 0. So all the 7 digital products which I have mentioned earlier, you can sell those by using Gumroad. The third platform which I have been using as well is Lemon Squeezy. Again, this is the same platform like Gumroad, but maybe you can access other countries by using the Lemon Squeezy where Gumroad is not working. These are the few platforms which you can use to create your membership groups. Now the last and most important thing which I want to discuss is how to market your products. And this is the most crucial part of your business. So as I told you earlier, you can build an email list, and through that email list, you can sell your digital products. But to build an email list, you have to solve a specific problem of your customer on any social media platform through video content, or you can also write on that platform like Twitter or LinkedIn. You can also teach your audience by creating the social media posts. For example, on Instagram, if you don't want to create reels or video content, you can create posts on Instagram. So let's say if you look into this creator, he is providing the info regarding the AI and he is teaching his audience like if you want to solve a specific problem, you can use these specific AI tools. So anyone who is coming to your social media pages, on your videos or on your posts will be more interested in your products or services. Now after building the free product, you have to choose the right platform. Like most professionals are on Twitter and LinkedIn, and if you look into YouTube, there are plenty of people who want to learn or some kind of educational content you can find on YouTube. And if I talk about Instagram, she created over $1 million in less than a year once she started promoting her product on Instagram. She just started teaching his audience how to make money online, how to build credit. So in that way, by promoting the products in her bio, she created a revenue of over $1 million in less than a year. You can also promote your products by using the paid ads. But anyone who is just starting out, creating the content, teaching your audience is the best way to start on social media. So I hope this video will help you to start your own digital business in 2024. If you do have any questions or suggestions, please do mention them in the comment and I will be happy to answer those. Thank you for watching this video. I will be back with another video soon. Happy New Year and I hope you had a great weekend.